Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel Excel tips and tricks. Okay, micro tips, you can call it as micro tips. And if you have not liked or subscribed to this channel, kindly like it and subscribe so that we can uh, as soon as we put a new video, you can get notified that we have put a new video. Okay, thank you. Now let us today's task of the day is we need to find duplicates and remove them from a list of some names. Like for example, you have a competition and you invite applications from the people to take part in the competition. Now it so happens that maybe because of the server being down or something like that, some people tend to register 2 times or 3 times. Okay, and sometimes because of the curiosity to take part, they register multiple times. Okay, so now after I get a list, like for this is the list, for example I have compiled a list here with some duplicates. I have tried to put some duplicates purposefully. Some duplicates have been put so that I remove the duplicates. Now here is all these are the names right from column the second row till 26th row. So if I select this, I will come to know how many are there. How? Here it is written here in the lower column. You can find the cursor of the mouse. Here it is written count is equal to 25. It means there are 25 names. I have excluded the first row. The first row indicates the first name. So there are 25 names and I have to remove some duplicates from this. So what do I do? We have to just select the total, all the names right from the starting. Okay, then we come to, instead of home, data tab. In the data tab we have something called remove duplicates. So we click on this. So when you click on this, there will be, you can pick which columns you should be checked for duplicate information. So when you click remove duplicates, it will ask you here to delete duplicate values. Select one or more columns that contain duplicates. Now here there is only one column. For the simplicity's sake, I have put only one column. So I have column A, and because we know here the first row has something called first name, so that is unique. It's not a name, so it is a header. So we have to click on my data has headers. So when you click on this, that gets unselected. The first row gets unselected, and now if you put OK, then from the 25 values, 16 duplicate values have been found and removed, and 9 values, unique values, remain. So you can check here. OK, so now only 9 values are there. So all the duplicate values were removed. The people who had registered multiple times, all those names have been removed and one unique names have been put. So this can be used in data which have been entered in Excel for some studies, in which duplicates, it has been repeated twice or repeated thrice by the people who enter the data. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.